Yeah, hi students. Welcome to our new video. So in this video, we are going to see the simple interest sixth method. So without wasting the time, let us start the problem statement. If Suresh wants to double his certain principal amount in 8 years, at what rate should he charge simple interest? So that means Suresh is planning to double his principal amount in 8 years. So if he want to double his amount in 8 years, then what is the rate of simple interest he has to charge? That is what they are asking. We know the simple interest formula, that is SI is equal to PTR divided by 100. In this statement, let us consider principal amount, that is P is equal to 100 rupees. Because they have not given any amount here, you can consider X also, that is no problem. But to simplify for the calculation, I am considering principal amount as 100 rupees. And let us consider the simple interest as 100 rupees because he wants to double his amount. Double means he has to earn the same interest as that of the principal amount. So principal amount I have considered 100 rupees, so interest will be another 100 rupees, so that his amount will be doubled. That too in 8 years, that is time frame they have given. So and they are asking for the rate of interest. So what is the simple rate of interest that we need to find? So let us substitute all these values in the simple interest formula. Okay. So SI is 100 and which is equal to P is 100 into time is 8 years into rate of interest R as it is that we need to find divided by 100. So let us just do the simplification here. Here this 100 and this 100 will get cancelled, so that in the left side LHS side will get 100 and in the RHS side 8 into R I will get. So now keeping R this side, I will send this 8 towards the LHS, so that it will become 100 divided by 8. So that is R is equal to 100 divided by 8. Now let us just simplify this. So I'll write down here 100 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8 and this 10 may another 2 will remain. So this 2 will become 20. 8 twos are 16. So another 4 will remains here. So I'll keep point so that this 4 will become 40. 8 fives are 40. So I'll keep 5 here. So that rate of interest R is equal to 12.5%. So the rate of interest will be 12.5%, meaning at 12.5% simple interest in the 8 years, Suresh amount, that his principal amount, will get doubled. If you like this video, please like, share and comment in the comment section for more such videos. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that you won't miss any videos from our channel. Thank you for watching. We will meet you in the next video.